Hello students, today we are going to start our new topic, uniform circular motion. But wait, let us play a small game with me. So for this game, please take one rough paper and one pencil or pen. So be ready. Now, like this is a particular white paper. Now please draw these lines, straight lines. Just play it. Just play. Very nice. Now in a second time, just increase your speed. Like, see how much fast. Now more increase. Oh, fun. Okay, now with the same speed, now try to draw a circle. Like my speed is now. Oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? Now once more. Now a straight line is very easy. Now here. Oh. Now please try. Can you do that? I am waiting for you. Please try. Yes, it is quite difficult to draw this particular circle with the same speed which we already used to draw straight lines. So dear student, today we are going to understand this concept, why we can't succeed to draw these kind of lines, and especially in particular circle. So that's the reason our topic is uniform circular motion. Now in this chapter we already read about the particular distance upon time give us speed, displacement upon time give us velocity, and the velocity upon time means the rate of change in velocity give us acceleration. So that's the reason velocity can be changed due to the particular reason. So look at here, when the velocity of an object changes, okay, when the velocity of an object changes, we say that object is accelerating. This is a very important thing. Okay, and the particular change in the velocity could be due to the change in its magnitude. Now what is the meaning of magnitude here? Magnitude means is a पर्टिकुलर न्यूमेरिकल क्वांटिटी. सो हम इसे इस तरह समझ सकते हैं. सपोज करिए कि अगर आपको वेलोसिटी में चेंज करना है, तो सपोज करिए कि आप अपने होम से स्कूल जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, व्हीकल पर जा रहे हैं या साइकिल पर जा रहे हैं, तो आपकी साइकिल की स्पीड कुछ मान के चलिए 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर है, बट आपको लगा नहीं अब कुछ टाइम कम रह गया, मुझे 5 मिनट्स के अंदर ही स्कूल पहुँचना है. सो ग्रेजुअली वी और यू कैन इंक्रीज योर स्पीड लाइक फ्रॉम 10. So from 10 you can increase till 15, means 5 kilometer per hour extra you increase your speed. So right now your speed is 15 kilometer per hour. So that means here you can change in the magnitude of velocity. So when you do so, this particular change is known as acceleration. Now second thing, when we can change the direction of motion or both, means we can also change the magnitude or we can also change the direction of motion. So that the reason also we can change in the velocity, and the particular change is known as acceleration. Now how we can change the direction like that? Now in a particular cricket game, when a particular bowler is bowling and the particular batsman just play a particular shot, so here we can say that due to the change in the direction of motion or maybe in a magnitude, the velocity can change. that is the reason we can think about that the velocity can be changed, only change in the magnitude or change in the direction or both. But can you think a particular example when the velocity, when a particular change in the velocity may come due to only change in the direction of motion, means in this condition magnitude remains same? How? We played a particular game. We cannot draw a particular whole circle with the same speed which we are using to complete the straight line. Okay, right now there are so many examples also there. Suppose a particular example when you are on your bicycle and you also have some handsome or good speed, suppose 20 km/h speed are there in a straight road, but suppose there is a sudden turn is there. So can you tell me you maintain this particular speed, or you have to just control according to your speed, or just apply brake and you have to control the particular speed? Yes, definitely. So when we are going to take turn, definitely our velocity or speed going to change. Now look at here, another way we can easily understand the concept of uniform circular motion. How? Look at here. Suppose right now you are moving in a straight line. Suppose a particular person moving with the speed of, suppose here 5 km/h, okay, on a straight road A to B. Now this particular person right now moving on that particular surface A, B, C and D, like that. Here we can imagine one particular rectangular path and the particular person walk over there. So there are four times the person need to change his speed. First of all, from here to here he can maintain, but while he is going to take turn, he should maintain the speed. Otherwise what happen, that means the particular person just come out of the track. At the third case, when the particular person is walking over there, so there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 times he is going to change his speed, otherwise he also come out of his track. So there are various kind of example where the velocity can change due to the change in the direction of motion. So here our topic, uniform circular motion, means a particular circular motion where the magnitude of velocity remains same, okay, but the velocity can be changed due to only change in the direction of motion. If the person moves with a velocity of constant magnitude, means the particular numerical value remains same, along the circular path, the only change in his velocity due to the change in the direction of motion. The motion of the person moving along a circular path is therefore an example of an accelerated motion. I am trying to draw a particular straight line with this particular speed, but with the same speed I can't draw a particular circle. Like if I want to draw a particular whole circular shape, so look at here. Now what happened? Each particular point, due to the change in the direction of motion, I can able to draw a particular complete circular shape. That the reason, if one particular person is going to move over there. So the motion of the person moving along a circular path is therefore an example of an accelerated circular motion. So that the reason जब particular कोई person एक circular path पर move करेगा तो हर एक point पर उसका velocity का magnitude same रहने वाला है और जो particular velocity change होगा वो होगा उसके direction of motion के reason से. So that the reason here we can say it is an accelerated motion because velocity में change तो हो रहा है but magnitude के reason से नहीं, but यहाँ पर जो change हो रहा है वो direction of motion के reason से हो रहा है. Now here we know that the circumference of a circle of radius r is given by the formula 2 pi r. Okay, if the person takes t second to go once around the particular circular path of radius r, the speed v is given by v equals to 2 pi r by t. Why? Because we know that speed will be equals to distance traveled upon time taken. So here the whole particular circumference of a circle as a is 2 pi r and the particular person is moving over there. So the distance upon time is known as the speed and the particular circumference of a particular circular path is 2 pi r, depends on the radius over the time. So when an object moves in a circular path with uniform velocity, why uniform? Because suppose again if I am going to draw a particular circle, so at every point I have to control my hand. I am not going to write in very high speed. I have to control my hand. See this again. I have to control my again I have to control my hand to draw a particular circle. So that the reason the circular path with uniform speed, its motion is called uniform circular motion. So here there are also so many example also given in the NCERT, like a particular person take a thread and at the one end he join a particular pebble or stone and then do the circular motion like that. So there are so many example also given in the NCERT. So all these examples are related to the uniform circular motion. Same way a particular satellite over the earth, they also perform a uniform circular motion. Suppose from India we have to launch a particular satellite and they have to launch in a particular orbit. So this particular satellite must have to perform uniform motion on a particular orbit around the earth. Now in this particular problem, an artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 kilometer. Means here first we got our main setup of this numericals. We got here radius of a particular circular orbit is 42,250 kilometer. Now calculate its speed, means we have to calculate the speed v. If it takes 24 hours, so time also given 24 hours to revolve around the earth. So look at here, this particular question is like that. Here is our earth and over the earth like that, here a particular orbit, okay, and here one satellite is there whose particular radius is here 42,200, its speed. So according to the radius, time and speed of velocity, we have a formula. Here we know that v equals to 2 pi r by t. But wait, first of all we check all physical quantity will be in a SI unit. So here kilometer is not, we have to convert in a meter, and here also 24 hours we have to convert in a second. So here no problem, 2 pi means 22/7, and r is given 42,250 kilometer and 10⁻³ So why? Because we have to convert in a meter, and 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter upon 24 hour, now in minute, now in second. Here we can write here something, suppose that one is 30 and that 11, and then here also 30, and then we can write here 11 and then and 2. So this one is cancelled and this one is also cancelled, remaining 10. That particular value will come when we multiply with this value 46475 and 2 zeros, no problem. So maybe the answer will be V equals to 3073.7 meter per second, or almost 3 kilometer per hour. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again the particular game to draw the straight line with the same speed, and please also try to maintain the speed, and maybe one day you will able to draw a complete circle with the same speed. So thank you very much again for watching this video.